2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Phil Collins in the air tonight. Cool. So this song is super easy. We only have 3 chords, but let's do this. Let's put the capo on 5th fret, please. So normally it's in D minor, but then we have this hard B flat bar chord. So let's put it 5th fret. We're gonna be in the same key, but now it's gonna look like A minor. 1, 2, 3. To G major. To F major. Or F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can reach the thumb, we can do that. Play. I think that sounds better than it's an F major. Okay, so that's all the chords for the song. Up until the do-dun, do-dun, do-do, the drum, big drum fill. And then I think it's the same chords after that too. But so basically what's happening is for the chorus we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 major, F major 2, G, A minor, G, F major 2, G. Okay, so that's the chorus. When the verse starts, we're just going to stay longer on each chord. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major. G major. A minor. Drum on the chorus, and then maybe we can do some picking for the verses. Bring it down a little bit. Some picking, and then strumming. 5, 4, 3 strum. 6, 6, 4, 3. That was 5, 4, 3 over that. lead chorus. Let's go. Cool. Awesome, guys. Thanks for tuning in. What a classic song. Easy, fun to jam, right? I'll see you tomorrow with more fun stuff. Be safe. Thank you.